Here's 5 honest advice if you want to become a content creator in 2026. Advice number 1, you need to love sharing. You need to love sharing your experience to help even just one person. If your motivation, if your why is all about the money, like, oh, MrBeast can earn a lot of money from the making video on YouTube, I think you're wrong from beginning and your channel probably cannot take off. Tip number 2, don't think complicated, like your scripting, your content, your equipment. When you just start literally. You don't need to care about a perfect script first. You don't need to care about like perfect equipment or lighting or video. A phone in a quiet room is enough for you to start creating the content. The important thing is you need to press that button to record the video and share it on your channel. Over time, your scripting, your filming skill, your speaking skill will improve. Number 3, do the research, but don't compare yourself. When you do the research, probably you're gonna stumble into some big content creators like talking about the topic you care about, and they probably have like 100,000 followers. And it's good that you can learn from them because they are good at it. That's why they have a lot of followers. But when you bring that tip or knowledge to share into your videos and your video just get 200 views, don't compare yourself with those big creators because you're gonna feel disappointed. They have done it for years to have that expertise and to have that followers. So just do it, please. Just hit the record, share the knowledge you have, and then the views and the subscribers will come later. Number 4, probably the most important one, you need to do you. You need to be yourself and share your authentic self. Of course, you can try to be fake, to be like loud and very outgoing on the video, but I'm sure you can't keep up to be that fake personality for hundreds of videos if you want to share in the channels. For example, if you're introvert and if you talk slowly like I do, just do it really, because some subscribers, some viewers will see that, oh, finally somebody can speak slowly enough so can understand what they are talking about. They will subscribe. The most importantly is be yourself, do you, and be authentic. Share your real thoughts, share your real experience about what you do. Like, for example, I'm good at content creation. I have 10 years of branding and marketing in my pocket, so I feel comfortable sharing about that. But if you are a gardener and you see that, oh, content creation is a very hot topic to talk about, I'm sure you will struggle to talk about content creation and you're gonna take a very long time to make a video. If something is easy to do, probably you can do it in a longer period of time. I think being yourself is the easiest thing you can do when you decided to be a content creator on this platform. And the last one, you will suck a lot. I promise you, in the first few videos, not just one, a few first videos, you're gonna suck. Your view gonna suck at 200 views or whatever. And I'm sure that all content creator experience. So here's my advice. Suck faster by creating more content and learn from it. So like the more bad videos you try to put out there, the more you can learn faster. If you can post 2 or 3 videos per week, I'm sure you're gonna improve faster than a content creator who posts only 1 video per week, because you have 2-3 more chances to learn from your video, scripting, speaking in front of camera, editing, whatever. And I'm sure, so suck faster and become a good content creator by the end of 2026. If you happen to be an introvert, I would recommend you to watch this video right here to become a better content creator. See you in the next video.